What's going on, everybody? Mark Fleetwood here. Welcome back to the Daily Grind Trader. Today I'm talking about Fantom, FTM, and if you're a hodler, if you're diamond hands, you may not want to watch this. Trigger warning, spoiler warning. I'm talking about shorting the shit out of Fantom. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you all about it. All right, everybody, we know the drill. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I simply share my technical analysis in hopes that you use it as you see fit. But remember that you manage your own money and you manage your own risk. With all that being said, we're going to hop into the charts because there's something interesting that happened today, or happened tonight, or this evening, whatever you want to call it. It happened after hours in the stock market. Facebook took a big old stinky dumper. And you can't see it here because it finished the day at 323. But after hours, if you go on the hourly, after hours, it dumped 21% in a single hour on after hours after the earnings came out. When you have a dump like this, there's only one thing that happens. This is what happened.
That looks good.
You see this dump. And what I want you to look at is this dump, and then Netflix did the same thing all the way back here on January 20th. So January 21st, you'll look and see that January 21st, the market opened with a massive gap down. You see it had a massive gap down here. And let's look at Bitcoin on January 21st. Oh, look at that, was a big dookie candle. That was a 10% down candle. And Fantom on January 21st, big dookie 15% down candle. So this is going to solidify my position to where I took a short position today. And I'm going to tell you not only the correlation between big companies having really bad earnings and dumping markets, but actual technical analysis on Fantom. So we're going to hop into Fantom now. But here, we're going to look on a daily because this is a macro move. This is going to be a macro move. We had a double top. This is a classic double top. Topped here at roughly 330. Actually, it was like 347, 348. But we're going to call this line of support resistance 331 because we hit it here the second time and we wicked above it, but we never closed a day above this line. We never closed a day above this line. And then we came down all the way down here. This is our neckline. So we had our top once, came down. This was our bottom, and then we double topped again. So this double top typically means that we're going to at least retest this neckline and at least get down to about $1.30. Now I took my short position at 197, and the reason why I took the position where I did is because I didn't take it right off the fractal, because I was waiting to make sure that we did have a rejection of the 50-day moving average, or the 50-day smooth moving average. And as you can see, we played with that 50-day for quite a bit. And 2 days ago, we hit it and came off of it. And then we had the big rejection off. And that's where I got in. We had this large rejection off, and I got in at 197. And I'm expecting us to sit on this support resistance line for a little bit. But I don't actually think it's going to be that long, because I think tomorrow when the market's open, I think prices will dump substantially tomorrow morning. So this could very easily be a position where in 2 days, we have two candles like this. In 2 days, I could be winning on a 32% short on 5x leverage, which would put me at a little over 150% gains in 2 days. So this would be a phenomenal move if it plays off, but that's not it. I think the reason why the neckline is my play is because the 200 smooth moving average is here also, and it's going to come down. If it comes down hard, even if it comes down super hard, it's going to wick through the 200 day at best, and the 200 is going to show it some support, and we might get another bounce up, and we might get another lower high to retest this trend line, before ultimately this neckline is just the confirmation of a double top. We could go down below 97 cents here on this swing low, or potentially all the way down to 43 cents. Now this would not, I don't expect this to be a quick move. I expect downs and ups, and some sideways action, but this could potentially get down to 43 cents before this whole macro move is over. Because think about the whole leg up. And up, hit the support resistance line, fought with it for quite some time. And it came up, fought with this support resistance, and then hit our top. Came down, fought with this support resistance, came down to our neckline, and then all the way back up again. So we've had our fight with this being a support line already. So I didn't want to get in while this was still being a support. I thought that we would finally break the 50 when we got a clean rejection off the 50. We would break this as well. I felt like that would be a tandem move. So I did get in a little early, but I feel like I was patient enough to know that this was going to eventually just crack. And especially after the Facebook earnings came out and that hour of after hour trade happened, and I saw the correlation between that type of after hour dump and what Netflix did a few days back, actually a few weeks back now, I think there's a great opportunity for a large sell-off tomorrow. So guys, with that being said, that's the video. I'm sorry if you're a Fantom holder. It will come back. Fantom is a great project. It will come back. Right now the market is what the market is. It's a bear market right now, and we're looking for short positions. We're looking for coins that are going to fall. And sometimes the ones that have the most parabolic rise will also have the most parabolic fall. So remember that, you know, these coins are still great projects. Don't take anything away from them. Once this bottoms out and this, if you get a chance at 43 cents, I will be buying as much Fantom as I can at 43 cents. But right now I'm going to short it till it gets there. So guys, that's the video today. I hope you enjoyed. And as always, until next time, peace.